Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Cleo'S investment tracking tools. Now, do you want to keep tabs on your investments without hopping between apps? Well, Cleo'S investment tracker makes it simple. Here's how to do it. The first step is going to be to open Cleo'S and navigate to investments, and there you want to look for it under financial oversights or insight section. Next, you're going to connect your investment account. Now, you may be asked to securely log into your brokerage account. Next, you review your portfolio summary. Now, Cleo'S will show your total investment balance as well as individual asset values and basic performance trends. Next, you're going to set investment goals. Now, if available, you can set target goals like grow portfolio to $10,000. Step 5, monitor trends so you can get regular insights and notifications about how your investments are doing, which of course allows you to monitor the trends. With Cleo'S investment tracking, you can stay in control of your financial future in one convenient place. Pretty useful feature. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.